Hello everyone, I will show you the update of my house in the Philippines. They are working the garage, kitchen, and also bathroom. They are working, the carpenter working in my garage. They put the tiles and something, I don't know what there is. That's my house there in the Philippines. So we are fixing the garage and also behind the house. Sorry, my house inside is not really arranged yet. The furnitures, that's the TV stand, and also I made a new divider or something. And also this is my dirty kitchen behind my house. So now after they put the tiles, the paint, they start painting, and also they paint already the cabinet. And that one I'm gonna put the oven there. See, that is the wood oven or where we cook. And this is our bathroom and shower room behind the house. Thank you for watching.